Alright, we're working on the GL320 and we're going to do the cabin air filter. So we're going to just pop these out off the air intake in the engine compartment and pull this out. This comes out really easily like that. And then if you look in here, you can actually just reach in, and if you're lucky you can just pull it right out. Go get a corner and then lift, and it should come right up and out. Come on, baby. Okay, there's one. Ooh, that's nasty. Look how nasty that is. Okay, that's a genuine Mercedes product. And the other one, you just be able to move it over and then pop it out. Okay, go. Same as the other one. There we go. And then pops it right out. And these are nasty. Okay, so I got these from O'Reilly. They're microguard. They're charcoal, and then the air flows this down this way. So I'll make sure we get that in right. There we go. There's the arrow, and then we're going to push this in. And then snap it in place. Okay. There we go. There's one. Here's the other one. Make sure the arrow goes down. Little squish, but I think it'll be okay. Okay, I got the other one in. You kind of have to bend it out of place, but it does. You can get it in, and it doesn't really mess up the filter that bad, and it's a lot quicker. And then you can put the air cover back in and snap those in, and you're done. And that's it. Okay? All right. Take it easy.